Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Teams and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct organization account. Once done, join or start the meeting where you will present, and position the meeting window so you can access controls quickly. You should also close unneeded apps and tabs to free resources and prevent accidental exposure of private content. This first step gets you ready and reduces friction while sharing, so the rest of the process is fast and predictable. Now click the Share icon in the meeting controls. This opens the sharing picker. You choose Entire Screen to show everything, Window to share a single app, or PowerPoint to present slides. Pick based on whether you need to switch apps. If you will play media, toggle Share System Audio so participants hear sound. Make sure to select the correct screen or window to avoid revealing other content. Once selected, Teams shows a red border indicating what's being shared. While presenting, use the presenter toolbar to pause, annotate, or give control to another participant. This lets you hand off without stopping the meeting. When finished, click Stop Sharing to end the broadcast and confirm participants can no longer see your screen. If participants report black screen or no audio, check app permissions for screen and microphone, restart Teams, and try sharing a single window first. These steps usually fix permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.